this video we are going to discuss about how to find app idea and ways to validate it, because recently we were discussing about a new application and then we were discussing about if this is the perfect idea or not. So one of the ways that we should directly view the applications on the Play Store. So from there we can get some idea like how many types of applications are there and whether the idea that we have that is already there or not, and from there we can kind of do a research of all the applications and get some idea of the type of application that we want to develop. Yes, so sometimes it happens that many people tells that there are several big applications and big companies as well. So if we go and look there, then we see that it is almost impossible to develop such kind of application and compete with them. So in that case, what should be our view? Yes, so there it is. We should know that those big applications are developed over several years with many updates in the versions. So we should just focus on our first version, means we should not think about developing a big application in the start. We should just develop application which is small and which does its main functions with perfectly, and so that should be our focus, and with that we will just develop our small application and that will work better for that function only, right? Way to find any app idea is like generally everyone tells it to find solution to any problem, and the solution can be to save time. For if any process takes some time, you can find solution to save its time, and most generally we hear many times stories that people solve problems that they face themselves, and if we face any problem ourselves in doing any work or anything in general in life or anything, we can think of creating any solution for it through mobile app, and that is the best way of finding ideas, and it comes through real experience. Yes. There is another way also for getting the app idea is that for different type of application there is also reviews on the Play Store, and we can just go and watch those reviews, and for different type of application there is also reviews on the Play Store, and we can just go and watch. Based on that we can think of any new type of idea in which it has those features which are not in the existing applications. Yes, so from there we can get the ideas, means there people are sharing their views in the comments, so from there we can get so many ideas. Yes, same goes for comments and views on Reddit or Quora as well. There also we can get many insights. Question is, suppose we get the idea of the application using the existing application or the reviews, then the next question is how to know if this idea is perfect or not, will users use it or not. Yes, so for the validation part, the first thing is we can do is do some market research. So we can run some polls, or we can do standard kind of research using which we will get answers to our questions, so that will give us some statistics about our application and its industry, whether this type of solution is needed or not. Yes, right. And another answer to that is we can say second point is we can just directly find our potential users and show the application to them. Whoever we think can use our application, we can show to them and know that if this idea is perfect or not, will you use this idea or not. In that way also we can know it. Yes, so we can say it's kind of MVP. We should just launch our first version of the application as soon as possible, and from there when real users use the application, they will give us the real feedback, and that feedback is really very valuable, because using that we can directly go and do updates in our application. People will say that kind of function they want or do not want in the application, so that feedback is very valuable. Okay, so thank you for the watching video, and in next video we will continue the conversation, or we will discuss the new topics which are important related to this mobile application development topic. Please send your questions if you have any for this talk in the comments.